Mercy R&D plays a big role, particularly here in Missouri. We have the 8th largest Catholic health system in the United States. We have 1,500 integrated physicians who generate ideas on a near daily basis for products. And so what we do is we take that intellectual property and harness it and turn it into a viable product that we can get to Missouri companies to be produced and sold back to serve the patients of Missouri. We take an idea from a concept. Sometimes it's something written down on a piece of paper or a napkin, or sometimes it's an idea that an inventor's been fiddling with for a number of years. And we take that, we evaluate it to look at its market potential, and if it looks like we're going to be able to successfully commercialize it, we take it into the lab, we develop it, we create prototypes, we test it both in the lab and clinically, and then we secure intellectual property on it. Then we'll work to partner with an existing company or a Missouri startup company and license the technology to them. Most of our products are turnkey for commercialization at the time they leave our lab. Class 1 medical devices are usually ready to go with the manufacturer lined up, with having produced those parts and been tested clinically. Other of our devices, Class 2 or Class 3 implantable type devices, they still need a little bit of work by the manufacturer in the testing part. But we also have a clinical trials division that is able to partner with that company to be able to test the device before it's released. There are multiple programs in Missouri that will help take that last step in the development process of technologies and companies. So the program that we are working with will allow us to facilitate some additional programs to be able to get those technologies out, and then there are multiple individuals, groups, and funding sources to be able to take that technology all the way to the market. We have successfully been able to hire into 6 positions in the last 8 months for high-tech scientific engineering and chemistry positions from the state of Missouri, so coming from Missouri universities. We have also been able to hire 3 individuals from outside of the state of Missouri and been able to attract them to come and live and stay in Missouri. The educational institutions are the driving force, I think, in technology development, because one, they're training our workforce that are coming up. They're inspiring them to do and be creative, do different things with the technologies that are under development, and then they become the partner for the companies, whether they're a large established company or they're a new startup company. They help provide the infrastructure and access to resources that are absolutely needed in order to get the products developed and on the market. I think Missouri has been clearly demonstrating that it is a good spot, a hot spot. There are programs that are in place, and there's more programs that are in the work in order to support and attract companies to come to Missouri.